Hey there, I'm Jason Soldini.
And I'm Andrea, and we're the owners of Neptune's Grotto, Old Florida Adventure Retreat here in Weeki Wachee, Florida.
So we've owned Neptune's Grotto for about 4 years, been fixing the place up since then. And this past September, well, we suffered some flooding here from Hurricane Helene. It caused some settling damage. We had to have some foundation work done. It put us out of business for a few months, but we're back up and running now and happy to welcome our guests back.
So we have our 4 rooms and our little camper, the Funky Flamingo, back up and running. We were fortunate to have a friend come and take the camper off of the property so that it didn't end up a houseboat in the middle of the Gulf. And we were able to get Serenity and Muddy Mermaid back up and running within a couple of months. We had to get all new appliances, all new furnishings, art, decorations, just about everything had to be redone. And the last few months we were able to get Vintage Mermaid and Salty Siren back up and running. After we had some stucco work done and we had the floors redone, painted all the rooms again, pretty much did everything again. I think they are actually back up and running better than they were before. I think that they look a lot nicer even now. We even had our mural in the front. Our great local artist Renata came out and had to redo a section of that mural for us, and so it looks brand new again, and basically everything here is back to 100% and brand new all over again.
So we're excited to be back up and running. We offer 4 mermaid-themed rooms, each one with a queen bed and its own unique decor. We offer our guests the ability to take our kayaks out and explore the area. We're in a beautiful spot, over 400 feet of waterfront, nestled against the beautiful pristine spring, and the coastal marsh area here is just beautiful to explore. In the future, we intend to incorporate some small boat rental, and we just hope our guests have a great time enjoying our beach area, picnic area, and barbecue grills and the quiet old Florida retreat style setting that we have here.
You can find us on social media, and you can also find us on our website or give us a call. We look forward to having you and can't wait to make Neptune's Grotto your next Florida's Adventure Retreat.